Hey, biscuits. So this room is finally clear of the construction stuff as I redid the flooring on the studio bedroom and closet and water damage and everything. Everything's finally out of here. So now it has become a storing ground for office equipment. I'm turning it into my office. Well, it's kind of been my office during all of COVID actually, out of desperation. But I'm trying to turn it into an office that actually it's organized and works. And right now I am folding laundry. Yes, that is all our laundry. It looks messier than it is. It's actually piled and folded and stuff. I've put it away. The horror show, I'm only going to show you the edge of my desk. So I'm going to build a bookcase at some point there. I'm trying to get this organized because all of COVID, this used to be a bedroom. And then last year I turned it into my home office because I like to sit in bed and work in a bed that I don't sleep in. I sit at the desk on my yoga ball and I do all of my really fun writing. I was gonna say boring typing of spreadsheets, but let's say fun writing. And now I'm trying to turn it into an actual place. I spent so much of last year in here in this chair. I used to be over by that window. I moved everything around, working on stuff while trying to get Abraham to do his homeschool things. And so I was like, the energy in here is out of whack because last year was just so crazy in here. So I moved this over from here. I moved the bed over. Over here is going to go a backdrop that I have already for filming. I moved this rug from the living room in here. I used to do Patreon shoots out in the living room a minute, and now it's going to be in here so I can film a little bit in here as well. Because I need an office. But for now, I just need to pick clothes on hangers, get all that done. I have a giant pile of paperwork. I'm not going to show you because it's got confidential stuff on it. It's literally 2.5 feet high of paperwork that I need to get back in my file cabinet that I actually bought a file cabinet last year. Because I was like, this is crazy. I run this business and you know what? I'm not doing it. So I have some office art that's going to go on the walls in here. For inspiration and for filming against, because I want to be able to film against here. And I just got to get this room prepared. The closet in here. So everything got taken out of my closet last year with all the water damage. And this became just like a pile of stuff. So we're gonna try to organize it. Okay, biscuits, do you think you can come along? I appreciate it. Okay, there's 5 extra bonus points for any biscuits that remember what the shirt got called when I wore it the first time. It was not. Somehow homeschool stuff wound up here instead of with me. I bought myself pens. So I write notes and to-dos and goal lists and motivationals and stuff. And I always think, boy, wouldn't it be nice? And I buy this nice stationery for it, so I feel really inspired. Yeah, and I never have nice colorful pens, so I bought this whole thing of colorful pens. And it's part of just getting my admin stuff, my behind the scenes stuff organized more because it has just not been organized enough. Okay, these are hand towels that go in the kitchen, so I'm going to pile up. Tape, constantly running out of tape, constantly. If you're a writer, you know that you kind of tape stuff up to walls while you're working on plots. And Yeah, I run out of tape all the time. Okay, let me put you on over here, Biscuits. You don't mind if I set you down here, do you? You're good natured. I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna move you because that is just terrible light. I don't even think that you can see that I'm folding laundry. So I'm folding all of my like gym stuff, and not that I go to the gym, but my workout stuff, because I've been doing, so since I launched my fitness course, it has been COVID, so I've been doing all at-home fitness things that you can do. So things you can do using, you know, a yoga mat, your bed, the sofa, things you can just do at home that are easy peasy. Everything you can do at home, you know, that you can do so many workouts. Where did these even come from? I don't know. It's not always a deep clean. Sometimes you just fold, grab your broom. I posted the funniest photo on page of me on a broom, grabbing all else, and it made me laugh. It made me laugh a lot. It was pretty funny. Okay, back to clean. expect to see more hauls shot in here as I actually get it ready for filming. Can I move you a little bit there, biscuits? Yeah. Mainly I've been using this just to work in, for, you know, editing and admin and all that. So I'm excited to like also create it as a space to shoot more. Just to have variety because I film so much content at home. Okay, in case you're ever wondering, boy, IKEA sheets are such a good price. Are they worth it? I don't think so. This is an IKEA pillowcase, and it is just rough, cheap material. I wouldn't recommend it, even for like guest room bedding or a kid's bed. I kind of think it's a little cheap. It's cute. They're really cute prints. I'm not impressed with the quality at all. It leaves a lot to be desired. Hello, socks. How are you? We're making progress. Let's look around. I always find random stuff on the ground. Hey, Biscuits, can I say that you're awesome for all the fantabulous orders you've been doing on the shop this summer? Thank you. I love it. Let me know if you ever want like a special, like, that completely fell down, so I folded it well. Yeah, professional there. Professional folder. If you ever want like a special thank you note or like an email thank you card, I would love to send those out when you order. This is an old underbed organizational thing. I think it's finally got to go. It is dingy as all get up. Just using an empty bag as my trash for now. More socks. So sorry. You can never have too many cleaning rags. Oh my goodness. It's just not physically possible. Come on over as I grab stuff. Do you mind if I sit you there? Maybe that's a little weird of an angle. Is that better? Sorry, Biscuits. Doing this without a tripod. So, it's a little haphazard. I'm kind of grabbing a moment in a very busy day to try and do some cleaning. And I thought, you know what? I miss chatting with you on our cleaning videos. I feel like I haven't posted one of those in a little while because I've just been so insanely busy. Not in a good way, just too busy. Okay, I think I hear somebody calling for me, and I don't think I can say no.